हेलो फ्रेंड्स। जैसा कि आप लोगों ने थंबनेल पे देखा, आज हम बात करेंगे चेक रिपब्लिक के लॉन्ग टर्म वीजा के लिए, जिसकी बेसिकली जो स्टूडेंट्स पीएचडी या किसी रिसर्च स्टडी के लिए जाते हैं उनको लॉन्ग लॉन्ग टर्म वीजा अप्लाई करना पड़ता है। तो बिकॉज आई एम नॉट एनी सर्टिफाइड एजेंट, वीजा एजेंट और कंसल्टेंट, सो आई जस्ट शेयर द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ माई नॉलेज. Okay, so once you apply you first you have to start your journey by applying. You have to select your course and then you have to apply with this university, and then on your behalf university take your appointment in the embassy, and then you have to coordinate with the embassy, and you have to appear a interview with the embassy representative. So here I says only the details like what the documents you need to get apostille and translated when you go, and you need to carry with you when you go to embassy for the interview. So here you have to carry all your original documents or your original educational documents, and plus your police clearance certificates. And for the long term visa you also need to avail bank balance confirmation from the bank, because the embassy want to see that you need to maintain the sufficient balance in your account, because the Czech Republic government want make sure that you have that much amount that you can manage your expenses once you reach in Czech Republic. Okay, and then yes, your one higher degree that also need to be apostille and translated, and the transcript of your educational transcript as well. So these are some documents which first you need to apostille from the Embassy of External Affairs, and then you need to get them translated. And once you go for the translation, you should you should keep that fact in mind that your degree or your documents like PCC degree or balance certificate, that should be bank balance confirmation certificate, that should be translated by the certified translator or the certified translation agency. And yes, and the documents which you got apostille, that should also be translated. That means the apostille stamp, that is also need to be translated in Czech Republic language. For example, you got your PCC apostille, but when you get the translation done only on the front side of the PCC but not the apostille, then in that case that will not be considered as a valid document. So that is the one thing, that is most important thing you should keep in mind, that translate the documents, and the apostolic stamp also need to be translated. And when you get the translation, you should keep in that mind that you should also get the authentication certificate from the translation agency, and the certificates and all the pages should be duly stamped and signed by the translation agency representative or the certified translators. And that and if it is you are getting a document done by the certified translation agency, then this also need to attested by the notary public. Here you can see like this is the degree which is translated by our company, and here some stamps and signature of the our representative, and it's attested by the notary public. And this is the apostille stamp, then translation of the apostille. Okay, that is also duly signed and stamped by the company representative and the notary public. So these are the some documents you need to carry when you go to embassy. Okay, and further, if you are not in Delhi, you are from any other state, you have to come to Czech Republic embassy in Delhi. And if in case you missed any documents, you can ask the embassy officer that you will arrange to submit the documents later. In that case, we can also help you that you send the document to us, and on your behalf we will be visiting embassy and we can submit the documents. And further, generally embassy take Czech Republic embassy take 30 to 45 days to issue the visa. Then again you have to come to collect your visa, but in that case also we can help you, you can issue the authorization letter to us, and on your behalf we will be visiting the embassy and collect your visa, and then we will take your address and courier the visa to visa means passport to you. So in all the aspects we can help you, and yet for sure we can be contacted for all the mentioned services like the certified translation and apostille attestation or any type of embassy attestations or apostille or attestation and translation services. So thank you guys. Thank you.